Okay, welcome. All right, our next topic is going to be power. How to develop more power from developing physical striking power to developing chi in the dantian, to developing empty force power, to developing mental power, making your mind really strong and immovable. Let's work at the topic of how do we build power. Now, power starts in the mind. It's your mind's ability to concentrate itself. It's your mind's ability to be one-pointed and focused. So let's look at that. How do we increase the strength of our mind? So let's take a meditation object. It might be visual, might be sound, might be feeling, might be taste, it might be scent. So through whichever one of these sense gates you find easiest, I want you to tune into that object. So is it a sound, sight, feeling? Up to you. Scent? Tune that one sense gate, put your mind on that object. Now, once you've put your mind on that object, I want you to take a combat attitude. I want you to lock on like you're in a fight to the death. If you make a mistake, you're going to get killed. So you concentrate in such a way that your mind is immovable. Your full combat attitude is locked onto that object. Okay, so do that first. Get your lock. Now set an alarm for 2 minutes and have an extreme pit bull attitude that nothing can move you. And switch the alarm on and 2 minutes timer, and then do the exercise. After you've completed that exercise with 100% success, that you're so focused nothing can move you off your meditation object, and this is very easy. It's just a matter of I will do it, I will concentrate, and you do. A lot of meditation systems have this, just relax and float, follow a guided imagination exercise. It's very light, it's very fluffy, and it's very calming. This is it's actually really sad. Because it's not meditation, it's not benefiting the person, it's making them weak and fluffy. You want your mind to become strong. You want your mind to be able to achieve what it wants to achieve. You want your mind to be able to concentrate. When your mind concentrates, everything becomes still and clear. You evolve, you grow. The power of concentration is the fabric of spiritual growth. You need to learn how to concentrate. To do this, summoning the primal reptilian brain, activating that, and then pacifying it. So what do I mean by pacifying it? When you start off with a combat attitude in your meditation, that you're doing a warrior's meditation, and then you hold that warrior state, what happens, you keep the state, but the emotional aggressiveness starts dropping away, and the spiritual fortitude to maintain your concentration remains, and it empties itself. What do I mean by emptying itself? You'll find that as you concentrate, you lock on, put on a combat attitude, stare at your meditation object, and you hold your mind. As the mind becomes the controller of the concentration, you realize, I don't need to hold tension in my body, I can just relax my body. I don't need to hold tension in my face, I can relax my face. I don't need to hold tension in my feeling, I can relax my feeling. So what happens is the mind is the one holding the will, and all the layers below that, you let go of them. Everything else becomes soft. And you end up with pure will. And this will is what we want to train. So let's train that exercise first, and then we'll continue with further exercises on how to cultivate the will. Okay, thank you for your time.